I'm your host, Miss Solar. Thanks for joining us on this special edition of The Real Planets of the Milky Way. Our first guest planet is red hot and on fire indeed. Help me welcome Mercury. Hello, Mercury. I heard you are a special planet. What can you tell us about yourself?
Well, I like to think that I am the most special planet ever. I was named after a Roman god, you know. And I think I hold a special place because I am the closest planet to the sun. That's why I'm so bright. I'm so bright. I'm only 36 million miles away from the sun, you know. And being that close to the sun, it only takes me 88 days to orbit around it. And you don't even have to use a telescope to see me. But I don't have a moon. I'm working on getting one, though. I'm working on getting a planet, a moon from a planet, indeed. That's why I think I'm the most special planet.
Thanks for visiting us, Mercury. Now let's see who's up next. I do believe Venus is coming to see us next. Venus, can you tell us what makes you a special planet?
Glad you asked, Miss Solar. Well, first of all, my name is Venus. You know, like the goddess of love. So people just love me, and I am the brightest planet in the solar system. So there's that too. I don't have a moon like some of the other planets, but I am the hottest planet in the solar system too. Plus, I have something extra special. Continents, mountains, craters, all over the surface of my planet. And I also have atmosphere made of yummy carbon dioxide. Tell me I am not the most special planet.
Thanks for your time, Miss Venus. We must move on to someone else now. Now this cool planet has a special place in my heart. Put your hands together and welcome Planet Earth.
Thanks for having me here, dude. I just want to say, so I heard we're talking about, like, who's the most special planet, and I have to say it's me. I mean, I am the only planet with liquid on its surface, and I'm the only one with living things on it. My atmosphere is made up of, like, 21% oxygen, dude, and the people living on my surface, I give them, like, 4 seasons a year, because I spin on my axis while I go around the sun. I mean, tell those other planets to beat that. Planet Earth, Earth out.
Wow, I always knew you were my favorite planet. But don't tell any of my other guests for today. Speaking of other guests, we have time to meet one more planet before we need to take a short commercial break. Is Miss Mars ready? Come on, Mars. Tell us what makes you a special planet.
Greetings, Solar. I am Mars, the great planet that people speak so much of. I am mostly known for my red appearance, as you can see. But many people do not know that it is only because of the mineral called iron oxide. I have heard all the gossip that I have things living on my surface because I have frozen polar caps. But I don't remember any of that. I don't know if it's true or not because I cannot store heat from the sun like the Earth can. Because I have a totally different atmosphere. That means that it is always so cold, like 125 below. So if you think about it, I'm the most cool.
Wait.
We need to take a short break to hear from our sponsors, Out of This World Realty. Sit tight and we'll be right back.
We need to move, so we're looking for a planet. What about this one, that one? No, oh no, we couldn't stand it. Need something big and grand, but small. We don't know what we want at all. So we call out of this world reality to handle it all.
Out of This World Realty, when you need a new planet to call home.
Welcome back to the real planets of the Milky Way. I'm your host, Miss Solar, and right now we are getting ready to meet another one of these great planets, Jupiter. Welcome, Jupiter.
Hey there, Solar. Well, as you know, my name is Jupiter, and I too am named after a Roman god. They say that I'm 300 times the size of the planet you live on, Earth. But I don't know if I believe that or not. I do know that my years are longer than the Earth's, but my days are shorter, only 9.84 hours a day. And I know that I always look different to people who take pictures of my surface because I spin pretty fast and I have lots of storms in my atmosphere. But to tell you the truth, I think my 64 moons is what makes me the special planet.
You are certainly right, Jupiter. That's a lot of moons. Next up is a very popular planet known for its style. Help me welcome Saturn to our new show.
Woo! 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 Ooh! Ooh! Solar, so good to see you again. I hope that you can see me through all of this thick layer of gases that surround me, and I hope all that wind doesn't blow you away. Apparently 1,100 miles per hour is too much for some people. I guess I'm just too much for some people. Anyway, with all of my rings and being big enough to eat planet Earth 763 times, that does make me special, doesn't it? I'm Saturn, by the way. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm too special. I'm so special, I'm done. Let's see if I can get some more of that wind to kind of blow me away.
I think we can all agree that Saturn is pretty special. About as special as our next planet guest, Uranus. Due to Uranus be spinning on its side, we want to warn our viewers that it may appear that it is lying down. Thanks for joining us, Uranus. Tell us about yourself.
Thank you, Solar, for bringing attention to the fact that I spin on my side, because everyone always thinks that I'm just laying down. Now, I have rings around me too, but they're made up of bits of rock and ice. And I can proudly say that I have 27 moons as well. But I don't have many space guests out my way. The only one I've been able to see was a little thing called the Voyager 2. Flew by me snapping pictures and stuff. But I couldn't get out to welcome it. Just stayed spinning on my side. Now I'm feeling kind of dizzy, Solar. I'm gonna go. Thanks for having me, though.
Thanks for being here, Uranus. We have to come to the end of our road here with Neptune. Come on in and tell us about what makes you special, Neptune. Solar. I am special because I am Neptune. 6 rings, 30,000 miles across, and 1,300 miles per hour winds. Sounds pretty special to me. But I don't really have a lot of visitors. It could be that I am so far away from the sun, but more than likely it is because it is about negative 330 degrees on my surface. And most people, while they look at my bluey color, they don't like the fact that my clouds are made up of poisonous gases. Seems to put them off of me, but I am still special indeed. Well, that's it for us today. We'd like to say a big thank you to our guest planets and our sponsors, Out of This World Realty, for helping us bring you the inside look of at the real planets of the Milky Way. Have a wonderful, special day. I'm Solar, signing off.